Hi there! Welcome to my channel. I'm Smitha Katti. I share printables and craft tutorials on my blog, smilingcolors.com, and many of you know me as the Shininist on Instagram. In today's video, I'm sharing the unboxing of the Tombow VIP Club Kit. Before I open the box, I'm a member of the Tombow USA design team and I do receive this box for free. The reason why I film these unboxing videos is because I know a lot of you are inspired by seeing what I create using all the items in the box. When I open the box, the first thing you see is the pamphlet. It basically tells you what's included in the box, what products are new, what products are exclusive. So the first thing in the box today is a set of 6 mono drawing pens. They come in different thicknesses, which means you can draw thin lines or thicker lines depending on the size pen you choose. I have a smaller size planner and the 03 size works perfectly to fit right in the lines. Next up in the box are these playing cards. They have illustrations that have been designed by our design team members, so it's going to be fun playing with these. Last in the box are these dual brush pens. It's called the Celebration Pack. I like these colors and I can already see that I'm going to paint some flowers with it. So let's get started by creating a color swatch. So all I do is I paint over each color with a little bit of water and that looks so pretty and soft. I like creating color swatches because it just gives me an idea how the colors go together, how they look after the water's been added, and sometimes I even create color mixing swatches, and I'll leave a link here to a previous video of mine in which I did a color swatch like that. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out my sketchbook now and let's paint some flowers. This is the Canson Mixed Media sketchbook. It is a 90-pound sketchbook and it has a spiral binding, which is my favorite thing ever. I'm going to paint some florals easily and quickly, and I'll play some music here so you can enjoy it. So there you go guys, that's what's included in the box this month. I will have more pictures and more information about all the products on my blog, so make sure to go to my blog post, which I'll leave a link for underneath. On another note, I know that I haven't been sharing a lot of YouTube videos here for a while now. I actually have a long list of ideas and I would love for you to give me some input. So let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you'd like to see more of on my channel. Do you have any video requests for me? So thanks so much for stopping by today, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you again soon with a new tutorial. Till then, happy crafting!